Did you break your screen and you're having it unable to use with ease? Are you working on your laptop or your MacBook and your mouse got bad? What will you do in a situation like this? I'm going to show you some hacks right now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as you walk through this journey. Here is how you can operate the device using just your mobile phone and an app. Crazy, right? Technology is really taking over. Welcome to my channel where I'll be showing you some crazy smart hacks. Make sure you subscribe.
My name is Kosidi.Kreativ and I'll teach you how to use your smartphone to control your laptop or your MacBook. And more importantly, I'll be demonstrating how to use the app to control your iPad with a broken screen. Just like the one I have here. This belongs to my roommate. He uses it for editing. And as you can see, some parts are not functioning, some parts are not touching, which makes it difficult to edit videos. So these parts are actually functioning. So to begin, you need to turn on the Bluetooth on both devices, that's the iPad and the smartphone. So basically, you're connecting the iPad or your laptop or your MacBook to the smartphone through the Bluetooth device. That's how the app works. So firstly, you go to Google Play Store to download the app. Google Play Store to search for Bluetooth mouse. So a list of apps released here. So we are going with the first one for this demonstration. So first of all, you install it. I already have mine installed, so you download, install. It's free, actually free of charge, no charges. So now we launch the app, and as you can see, so showing from the smartphone. This is the interface when you open the app. So the setup remote device is actually what you click first to connect the Bluetooth. So if you have not paired the devices before, definitely you'll be having issues connecting at first because you need to pair the device on. You get this notification when it's the first time you're pairing the device, that is the mobile phone, your smartphone to your iPad. So what we have to do now is try to connect the device or pair the device for the first time. So I will need to search for my device name and try to see if it's connected on my phone. Okay, so my device is not showing here as a new device. So let me check my phone if it's connected. Okay, I don't see an iPad here, so I think I'll add it as a new device now. Still also say okay, that's my device on the top, Infinix Smart 5. So I'm searching for my own phone. Okay, yeah, we have the iPad now. So try to connect or pair to the iPad for the first time. Still not connected. Always check to confirm if other devices are not trying to connect. So because your iPad cannot connect to two devices at the same time. So you go turn off the Bluetooth and on it back. So refresh the page and start afresh. So let's try again and see if we can connect it this time around. Okay, the iPad is now showing on the device on my smartphone. So you need to get the code on both sides, so you pair. It's a normal Bluetooth peer-to-peer, so that should be easy. So now head over to your smartphone Bluetooth settings and click on the iPad to connect to the iPad. So it needs to show you connected on both sides. If you're having issues connecting, if it's showing connecting, so you have to switch off the Bluetooth and try again. Could be as a result of other devices trying to connect at the same time. So as you can see, it's connecting, and I think okay, yeah, connected. So now head over to the app where we'll be controlling it manually. Now click connect to connect the iPad to the app server. If it's not working properly, restart the app again. So this time around, you see connected. So from here now you can see we're controlling, and we have the pointer over there. So you move, and oh yeah, I'm a dancer also. You can check out my video on the Mob YouTube page, the Mob TC. So you can see this app has other functions like to control the volume from the app. You can also switch from one video to the other, clicking next. This is the multimedia interface. You can switch to the other for the number pad, and type number, the other things. So let's head over to the keyboard. So you can actually type from the keyboard here in two ways. So we have the direct method which appear directly on the iPad, while we have the other methods which you have to type the complete sentence, then you send, so it appears. So I'll be showing you how it works now. So the keyboard, so I'm using the indirect method now. I'm going to type the complete sentence, then I click send, so it will appear on the screen here. While using the direct method, you have to click the direct button next to the keyboard. So you type, ensure that the direct button is properly clicked, so it will appear immediately while you type. So let's try it again. Direct. So now we type, you can see it's already appearing. So it doesn't appear on the mobile app, it just appears directly on the iPad. So that's it. So that's it on today's episode of Phone Hacks. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification to get notified on my next video. And if you encounter any problem while using the app, you can drop your problems on this comment section. I will make my research and get back to you soon. And if there are other problems you need solution to, you can drop the problems in the comment section. I will research and get back to you real quick. So yeah, that's all for now. Please, for more interesting videos on mobile hacks, please subscribe and hit the notification button below. So you can try it on other devices like your phone, your iPad, your laptops, your MacBook, your smart TVs. And leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Meet you on the next episode on phone hacks and tricks.